In this video, we dive into the importance of originality in business and why imitating others can lead to failure. Join us as we discuss how to concentrate on your unique ideas, harness your capabilities, and take consistent action until you achieve your desired results. Avoid the common pitfalls of copying and discover how to succeed by being authentic and staying true to your vision. Hey everyone, welcome back to Coach Mastering Academy. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Today, we're discussing a crucial topic for all aspiring entrepreneurs and recent college graduates: avoiding the temptation of imitating other people's businesses and focusing on your own unique ideas. In the business world, it's easy to look at others and think, I should do what they're doing. But here's the truth. Copying someone else's business model or ideas often leads to failure. Why? Because what works for them may not work for you. You have your own strengths, capabilities, and vision that make you unique. Let's break this down. When you imitate someone else's business, you're not seeing the full picture. You don't know the challenges they faced, the resources they have, or the specific strategies that led to their success. By trying to copy them, you're setting yourself up for disappointment because you're working with incomplete information. The power of unique ideas. Now let's talk about the power of your own ideas. When you focus on your unique vision and capabilities, you're leveraging what makes you special. You bring something new to the table that no one else can. Your originality is your competitive advantage. So, how can you avoid the temptation to imitate and instead concentrate on your own ideas? Here are some steps to guide you. 1. Identify your strengths. Take time to understand what you're good at and what you're passionate about. Your strengths are the foundation of your unique business ideas. 2. Set clear goals. Define what success looks like for you. Your goals should be specific, measurable, and achievable based on your capabilities. 3. Create a plan. Develop a detailed plan to achieve your goals. This plan should include actionable steps and milestones to keep you on track. 4. Stay committed, focus on your plan, and take consistent action. Success doesn't happen overnight, so stay committed to your vision and keep pushing forward. 5. Learn and adapt. Be open to learning from your experiences and adapting your approach. Flexibility is key to overcoming challenges and achieving your goals. Let's look at some real-life examples of entrepreneurs who succeeded by focusing on their unique ideas. 1. Sarah Blakely, founder of Spanx. Sarah had no experience in fashion or retail, but she saw a gap in the market for comfortable, flattering undergarments. She focused on her idea, persevered through challenges, and built a billion-dollar business. 2. Elon Musk, founder of SpaceX and Tesla. Instead of copying existing companies, Elon focused on his vision for sustainable energy and space exploration. His unique ideas and relentless pursuit of innovation have transformed multiple industries. Remember, the key to success is believing in yourself and your unique ideas. When you focus on your own capabilities and take consistent action, you'll create something truly remarkable. Don't fall into the trap of imitation. Be original, be authentic, and stay true to your vision. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Leave a comment below about how you're focusing on your own unique ideas. We'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, stay inspired and keep pushing forward. You've got this! This video emphasizes the importance of originality and offers practical steps for staying true to one's own business ideas. It also includes real-life examples to inspire and motivate you.